Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. Welcome back. So today I am going to be trying a new to me deep conditioner that currently has a 4.9 rating on Ulta. So I'm expecting really good things today. I just deep conditioned and did a clay wash on my hair. So my hair is ready to go for this product. It's said to apply it on hair that has excess water removed, which is perfect because I don't like to apply product to soaking wet hair. I don't like the feeling of wet hair just like rolling down my back and face. So even though my hair looks like it's drying pretty quickly, and it is, there's still a lot of water in here, but I don't have a lot of time before that changes. So today I'm going to be using the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Bond Builder Plus Hair Mask. I have never tried a Bondi Boost product before, but when I was in Ulta during Black Friday and the 40% off these products was very intriguing because this is a pretty pricey deep conditioner for me. This is $32 for 8 ounces, and I have a lot of hair, so it is very likely that I could be done with this in 2 uses. I've taken down an 8 ounce very quickly before. If you've been with me on the channel at least since last summer, you know that my hair right now is damaged. Little damaged hair check. This is the healthy hair where we are right now, and then this is the damaged section. And I noticed a lot of extra breakage in the shower today, which I was not loving. So I am really looking forward to this product because it's supposed to be great for clinically proven to decrease breakage by 70%. They tested this on bleached hair, which is a lot more damaged, I would think, than my hair is. So I'm hoping that if it made such a drastic improvement to super damaged hair, that I will notice something too, hopefully. So we're going to dive into a little bit more information about this product on the Ulta website. It says that this product is a natural silicone-free nourishing. It's great for treating damage, leaving soft, shiny, healthier strands, clinically proven to reduce breakage after 1 use. So I am definitely having high hopes for this mask. If I end up liking it, it will become a frequent restock for me whenever it goes on sale for 40% off. It's vegan, it's got clean ingredients, cruelty-free, and it has sustainable packaging, which I love. They use plant-based bond technology to target damage, to rebuild broken bonds and repair hair from the inside out. The weightlessly hydrating formula smooths, adds shine, and strengthens to prevent future damage. This silicone-free natural mask adds intense moisture and reduces frizz for integrity and shine. And again, they highlight that it is clinically proven to reduce breakage by 70% after that 1 use. And it says it's made for all hair types and textures. So we are going to dive in with this stuff before my hair is completely devoid of water. So it kind of has like a lemongrass scent to it. Kind of see the moisture dancing on the surface there, which I always love to see. It's got a nice creamy texture to it as well. And I'm trying not to be like super go to town with it, since I do want it to last a good amount of time. So I'm just going to apply it to my hair till my hair feels like it's coated in the way that I like. But I always start on the crown of my hair because the crown is where I get a ton of breakage. And I'm also doing a different style today. After I finished detangling it, I went and put my head upside down in the shower and started detangling from the back to the front to really smooth it, since I'm doing kind of like a ponytail situation. And my hair did not like that, you guys. My hair was mad. So I feel like, although I removed extra shed hair along the part, because I usually do my detangling, like split my hair like this on 2 sides and then braid the 2 sides down and the 2 more sides. So I've got 4 total quadrants to work with. So I thought it'd be good to get rid of the parts essentially where I detangle, because there's shed hair trapped and hiding in there, but my hair was not a fan of that. So I feel like I gave myself some extra breakage. Plus I'm essentially transitioning now again with growing out this damage. So I think that at this point the line of demarcation between the healthy roots and the damaged hair is starting to cause more breakage, and this is my ends in general, even though I just trimmed. I'm hoping that I can notice a big difference from this mask, especially since they say I should be able to tell a difference after 1 use. Seeing that it's not giving me that like disappearing act when I first apply a product to my hair, but that's okay. Sometimes it needs a little bit extra more time to sink into my strands, since I am low porosity. And I'm planning on going on a walk with this deep conditioner in my hair to let it really sink in and get in there. It does feel nice and moisturizing. It has like a really nice weight to it. It's not runny at all, and it's not thick. Make sure to get those roots, get everything really. Yeah, I definitely feel the moisture in there. My hair is softening very quickly. A little more product, like literally teeny tiny bit on the ends here in the mid shaft, like, because my hair at this point has grown out enough to where I can really feel the difference between the damaged hair and the healthy hair. Like the thickness is very, very apparent between the two now. The roots definitely need a lot more product than the rest of my hair. That being said, I think I am going to add a little bit more. Feeling good about the amount of product I've got on this first section, and the style that I'm going to be trying today for the first time is a very smooth type of style, and I don't use any brushes or anything. If you guys remember, when it comes to styling my hair, only for detangling, I'll use like a little boar bristle brush to smooth it. So I'm going to be relying on this product to give me some bonus smoothness before I go into styling. But yeah, you guys, my hair won't let me do anything. Even detangling it in that way when it was already detangled, it was not a fan of it. I'm like, what will you let me do? Like, literally. And I think this is one of those that has enough moisture to where it's giving me some pretty good slip too. I feel like I'm putting a pretty good dent in this deep conditioner already. Hopefully I'll have enough for at least like 4 uses total. I will definitely let you guys know during the empties video, whenever this appears, how many uses I ended up getting out of it. And then make these 2 twists become 1. Here is my next section. I think I'm going to do like an overall coating on the hair before going in and breaking it down. This section especially needs some TLC. Yeah, this is a very smooth product. No sort of resistance at all when I'm applying it. Hoping that means that it does sink in really well. Break this into 2 different sections. Let me know if you guys have tried any products from Bondi Boost. I would always see it in Ulta, but it didn't really, you know, spark my interest. Last section, clip you up in the meantime. Ooh, oh no. I can see the bottom of the jar, y'all. I feel like I've been very minimal with the amount of product that I use compared to what I usually use. This is what I'm gonna go on this section with. The closer I get to the front of my hair, it gets a little bit finer, which uses less product because I'm already seeing like the bottom of the jar. So yeah, I'm gonna try to just make it work with this since I've already got some product on there anyway, from the roots especially. So I'm gonna start at the ends and then work my way up because I'm going through this like water. But even though I'm going through this pretty quickly, if it really does appear to reduce breakage and help to improve the elasticity and look of my curls, healthy and damaged included, then it can just be a every blue moon special purchase. Oh, I do need more product up here, so we gotta use what we gotta use to make the job work. So I'm gonna go in with about this much. That is good enough for all my hair. I definitely tend to be a little bit more precious with amounts with my pricier deep conditioners, even though my hair thrives with a lot of product on it, except for shampoo. Pop on a shower cap, go on my walk. It's a little chilly today. I think I'm gonna wear a hoodie, which will give me a little bit more body heat to let this deep conditioner soak in. So I went on my little walk, but I almost didn't. So I actually used my hot head heating cap before I did because I was like, am I really gonna go out there? It's chilly and I'm tired. But I went on my walk plus did my hot head heating cap. So before I show you guys what things are looking like under this shower cap, I want to do a brief overview of the ingredients in this product. And as you can see, the ingredient list is long. So I'll make sure, like I always do, to put a link to the product as well as the full ingredient list down in the description box. We start things off with water. Next up, aloe vera leaf juice, glycerin, Behentrimonium chloride, sulfated castor oil. It's got shea butter pretty high up in the ingredient list, hydrolyzed soy protein. Now we're getting to those like strengthening ingredients. That bond building, I'm sure, is going to be not too far behind. There's a lot of stuff I can't pronounce. Argan oil, zinc, PCA, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. It's got onion bulb extract. A ton of different, what I'm guessing is amino acids. Hydrolyzed quinoa, coffee seed, as well as cucumber extract. So a ton of different stuff. Definitely check out the ingredient list listed down below for all the stuff in here. Oh, okay. Now that it's settled a little bit, I don't think I use as much as I thought. I use like down to here. So I still have this much product left, which is not bad. So, okay. So maybe I'll get those 4 uses after all. We'll see. And now the moment, well, part 1 moment of truth. Part 2 is after I rinse this out. And of course, because of my big head, I need several different shower caps to cover all my hair. Even though I got these from, I think they're the Cantu brand jumbo shower caps. It was like a pack of 10 or a pack of 30. These jumbo wear, because I have had this big and as much hair as I have, this did not cut it at all for jumbo. Ooh, it feels good. Oh, it feels so nice. I think the hothead was a good idea because it looks like all the product just sunk in there. I don't see white residue. Here is my favorite comparison to show you guys how the damage is growing out and how things are progressing. My healthy roots seem to love this too. The very straggly little damaged sections, I don't notice a ton of extra elasticity. I am seeing little tiny pieces like this. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. This little piece of hair right here in my hand, that doesn't have a white bulb on it, so it is unfortunately breakage. I think it's just getting to that point where I need to be a little bit more aggressive with the cutting, with the trimming maybe. But as far as this product is concerned, it might be one of those things where I can notice some improvement to my hair during this first use, but I'll notice even more if I use it maybe like once a month or so, which I'm gonna try to do, although I love to rotate my products. So I'm gonna go ahead and say on camera now that I'm gonna try to do a bond building treatment at least once a month. So I'll alternate this Bondi Boost with my Natural Mother's Curl Top Mask, which I absolutely love. Ooh, see? This looks like we're working with a little bit something now. We shall see what my hair is looking like once I rinse this out. I kind of don't want to rinse it out because as it's starting to dry, just like with the Not Your Mother's, I'm starting to like the look of it, but because it has so many different strengthening ingredients in there and that bond building, I'm gonna go ahead and listen to the instructions and rinse this out. I'll see in the shower if I notice any additional breakage and let you guys know. Ooh, that was nice. So straight off the bat, I noticed less breakage, but that could be because a lot of my breakage happened the first time I was in the shower. Overall, do really like this product. I am excited to see what it can do for my hair using it at least once a month, which as a huge product junkie is going to be very hard for me to do, but I'm very curious what my little curl comparison is looking like right now after rinsing out the product. My naturally frizzy, coarser, curlier curls compared to my little damaged section. Oh, not me about to hurt my eye again. If you guys remember that video, it was so bad. My healthy hair that is growing in definitely seems to really thrive with this, and time will tell how things go with this little guy. I will definitely keep an eye out. Like, look at, hello. Really happy with the feel. My hair feels really smooth. Additional shine is definitely a thing. I can tell when I have a little additional shine that's not just from the water. And I think this is what we're looking at. Show you guys this clip right before I started styling and my hair had dried a little bit more. I feel like the more it started to dry, the more I started to see the effects of this mask, especially in this little section right here, you guys. I feel like it got a lot more elasticity. The curl got a little bit tighter in that section, which, you know, I was so happy about. So I am definitely going to be using this mask once a month, so it'll for sure be the next empty, so I can let you know what my thoughts were about it. So good. Even with my little weird detangling situation today, how dare I detangle in a direction other than what my hair is used to, even though it was already detangled. But if you know, you know, my hair and I, when it comes to the tangles, we fight constantly. But I am very happy with the results. So we'll see what the end of the year holds in terms of favorites. I'm about to take on that new style that I'm doing for the first time ever, so wish me luck, you guys. Really hope that you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Just clicking on that little button, it makes a huge difference in YouTube pushing out this video and promoting my channel overall. If you haven't subscribed already, it'd be awesome if you did. I'd love to have you. I upload a new video every week, usually on Fridays, and I also have some short form content in the meantime, in between time. I will see you all very soon in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye!